helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
CK, your strategy in Shriram Transport Finance as well as Hindustan Zinc, what is it that you're recommending?
Well, Hindustan Zinc is an earlier recommendation. Shriram is a new one for the day. Hindustan Zinc we have been holding long for the past few sessions. If people are tired of it, they can exit if they want to. But the outlook for it is not really changed very much. What I would suggest is if you want, you can move your stop closer. Any of these two strategies can be adopted. We also have an earlier one which is long in Delta Corporation. I would suggest we continue to hold it because I feel that Delta is right now in a position to surge ahead, and I think we should be seeing very shortly a price level somewhere in the region of about 65 to 67. So I think Delta is one which I would strongly suggest holding on to or perhaps even adding to. As far as Shriram Transport is concerned, I think that's a stock which has been faring pretty well. 493.94 is the price where it is trading at. Keep a stop loss of about 1.5%, and look for a target of about 510. And another strategy that I have alongside is to create a position, long futures position on Mobile Global, which is priced at about 71.5 to 72. Currently, this is on the verge of an upside breakout. It has been consolidating very well, shows great demand at lower levels, and I do believe a price level of about 77 rupees is in the immediate future is on the cards.